Here we are on the trip to go check on the flock, the chicken, ducks, and geese. We just broke into sunlight away from the lake effect snow. While everyone had frigid temperatures, we also had the frigid temperatures and 4 non-stop days of lake effect snow. Currently, the temperature is down to minus 20. That's 5 degrees for us American patriots that don't use metric like the rest of the civilized world. Wind chill is down to around minus 40 during the low, and we're hoping that we've got ourselves a good situation when we get there. We had close to 60 centimeters of snow so far where we live, but it's up close to 75 now. And as you can see with the trees, it's pretty darn beautiful out here. I'll repost a video later. And just for the record, I'm not holding the phone, my daughter is. Say hello to everyone, Katie.
Hi.
Have yourself a good day, and post an update with the chickens and the ducks later. Bye.